So we're in a rainstorm.
So, oh yes, that's fun. Could possibly be a tornado. You never know.
Very comforting.
I love you.
Denial. I washed up, fixed up, picked up all my broken things. 'Cause you left me police safe chalk line, tequila shots in the dark scene of the crime. Suburban living with a feeling that I'm giving up everything for you. Oh, 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 how was I supposed to know that you were over me? I think that I should go. Something's telling me to leave, but I won't. 'Cause I'm damned if I do you, damned if I don't. It took a lot to take you home. One stupid call and I end up alone. You're made up, dressed up, messed up. Plans are set in stone. But you made me do what I don't like. Dancing in the alley with the street rat nightlights. Can't keep living with a feeling that I'm giving up everything for you.
Look, it's clear.
Oh my God! Was I supposed to know that you were over me? I think that I should go. Something's telling me to leave, but I won't. 'Cause I'm damned if I do you, damned if I don't. Make a fool of myself when you hang around. When you're gone, I'm a match that's burning out. Caught up in, should've done what I said I was going to do. But I never promised you. Something's telling me to leave, but I won't. 'Cause I'm damned if I do ya, damned if I damned if I do ya, damned if I don't.
Nice and dark.
It is dark. Not real dark. Real fast.
Yes, it did.
Up in a stranger's bed, with pins and needles in my head, and the clock ticking off the wall.
Everything is Halloween. Windows down.
I don't even know myself. I wish I could be someone else, but I don't have a clue at all. Oh, yeah.
Ow.
I'm sinking. You're waiting.
Ew.
I'm thinking something's gotta give. Wake me up, saying nothing's enough. I'm dying to live. Something's gotta give. Nothing's sinking down. I'm dying to live.
I don't got the words. Da-da-da-da.
Fucking waste.
Da-da. Ooh la la. Don't show that romance.
I've been here way too long.
Little Lady Gaga.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling like a nervous wreck, living on my last paycheck. I'm a cliche in a song.
Forgot the parody to that.
Singing along. I'm sinking.
Walk, walk, fashion bitch, where's those Gucci gams? These are just some words that only gay men understand.
What? I don't understand.
Oh, you're not a gay man.
Something's gotta give.